Good morning, it's John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 14th of March 2023 and I'm going to use my drone as a camera. So straight away you can see I'm using the drone, but of course I'm using an extra audio input, this one, my little Sony, to put the audio on, otherwise it doesn't work. But it's on a gimbal, so if I pick it up and move it around, oh there's the sunshine, thank you, and I can move the camera up and down and see exactly what I'm doing on here. You can see the facade of the old co-op building back here. Look at that, amazing. And some insight into what they're building for the area that they've knocked down. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. It's good fun. Nice bright day, a bit chilly though. And yeah, you'll see me next time. Bye bye.